Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Real quick little video. This is part B of this. I'm going to select, if you didn't watch part one, or it's really part three, because I've done so many artistic media brushes, but I'm going to break the artistic media apart and we get this ring. Now in the previous video, I left click, right, got to click on my item. I left click, right click, and if you watch the other video, I had these lines. And you would make time consuming to delete them all if you want a continuous, printing or even cutting this out with a laser. So what you can do is take the whole thing and go up to Object and Group and Ungroup All. Now let's look at these lines. There's lines for every segment. Take the whole thing and just weld it. And by doing that, now there are no lines and you're going to get a good, clean, crisp color. Let's use a different color. Look at that. It filled it all in. Let's take away the outline. That's pretty cool. And a lot of times you can't take away the outline because it's a smart fill, but you can do this right here. And it's not that big a deal. So let's play with it a little bit more. Let's take our interactive fill tool and make one side blue. And, you could change a lot, make it really look pretty unique. Whenever you get that message, it's because you didn't click on the line. Let's add one more color. Whoop. Grab it, I'm left clicking my mouse. That's pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody. Thank you for watching.